Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to learn about short vowel sounds, okay? And the vowel here is O and the sound is A. The first sound we have art, okay? Art. And the words are caught, dot, hot, and pot. Great. Another sound is og. And these words are dog, fog, jog, and log. Wonderful. Another sound is odd. Odd. And the words are cord, pod, rod, and nod. Great job. Another sound is up. And the words are bob, mop, rob, and sob. Great! Another sound is up. Up. And the words are hop, knob, top, and mop. Well done. Another sound is ox. Ox. And the words are box, fox, box, and dogs. Very good. Students, you have to revise all the sounds again, right? I hope you like this chapter. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.